Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, and Nandu Vishesham. You're watching IMA Vlogs. I am Abraham. I am Abraham, and welcome to my world. It's 5:30 in the morning. I cannot shout. Thoda gala bhi बैठ गया. And my baby is also sleeping. My wife is also sleeping. I don't want to disturb them. But it's been long. I've not gone for a ride. Today is a Sunday, and we are going 100 kilometers from here for breakfast and then coming back. No big deal. But yeah. So what am I wearing? This is my XDI jacket, IG gloves. I've got Skoyo knee pads, and this I recently got for Christmas. These are Adidas. They say it's a riding boots. These are pretty tough, and you can wear for normal casual wear also. This is my power bank, my secondary action camera, and what I've got in my bag is the hydration bladder. Okay, and then some adapter charger and stuff. My LS2 helmet, which I've got a Bluetooth fixed in here. I need to reach the Dahisar Cheknaka at 6:15, and from there my friend Jim will join on his Himalayan. So let's go. Out of the house. It's so quiet here. So look at this area. It's like a dormitory. Okay, so this is how I look. My jacket and my knee pads and my shoe. So we are all ready. The bike has been cold started. The only fuck up with my motovlog setup is that I have not yet got my mic adapter. I don't know how much of sound will be recorded on my camera, but let's see. My phone's connected. Now let's rock it. Oh yes. Jadoo. Oh yeah, look at the light. There's my new light. Okay, we are at the Agusta toll Naka, and I need to come here. Bim boy, where are you, Bim boy? Yeah, there he is.
Hi,
Jimmy,
how are you?
good. Well, Ram,
Let's go.
look at you. Nice, nice.
Have a go, little.
क्या लगा है इसमें तू? What is this?
Tank ride.
Oh, magnetic.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So let's shoot that. Let's shoot.
Okay, be careful out of these
That's
trucks.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So we are all done. थोड़ा बातचीत कर लिए and we're starting. और bikers दिखे थे वहाँ पे, but I don't know them. So I am with my Jimmy boy. So let's do this.
We have to be very careful when we are driving like this in the night because of these idiotic truck drivers. So we are trying to be on this last lane. Whoa, 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 whoa. See what I mean? Idiots. Look at the view, man!
Wait now for 5-10 minutes. Enjoy the nature, man.
Nice, huh? Beautiful, huh?
Wait.
Okay, come.
We are done with a small break. We enjoying nature, like, you know, what I mean. So let's play some EDM stuff. Yeah. Chalo. Awesome road, by the way. Yeah, awesome road. I think we'll start in some time. Till then, let's go.
What the hell? What did I
Okay, we have done around 96 kilometers and there are a lot of sports bike going on and racing there they are. Oh! Okay, we are at the Charoti toll naga, finally, and it's 98.5 kilometers from my place, where I stay, right? यहाँ से खोलना चाहिए था, इन्होंने सब बंद करके रखा हुआ था. We are at the Hotel Ahura finally. Yeah, that's Hotel Ahura, and see all the bikes here. So one by one we'll show all the bikes. So that's the whole lineup. We've got Ducatis, CBRs, Kawasaki, versus Benelli. What else? We got Honda, Yamaha, and everything. So yeah, I think we'll have good breakfast now and we'll leave. That's all about it over here. मेरी गाड़ी उधर है एकदम पीछे छुपा दी मैंने इसको. Jim, let's go. Go in. Really cold, man. So we're gonna order something and then what's the plan? Eat and go.
What are we going to do? Order something, have breakfast and then it's up to us. What do you want?
Yeah, what? This is a veg restaurant, right? Chicken is there.
No, everything.
आज मेरा उपवास है संडे में. संडे सिर्फ नॉनवेज खाऊंगा.
Oh, you're getting idli.
What?
You're getting idli here.
इडली I don't know.
No, but have a puri and king of puri.
कीमा
Spicy
पाव है
pizza.
इधर। कीमा पाव? कीमा पाव। क्या बोलता ना? कीमा खाओ खाएगा। So I think keema pav is good. So we are all done with the breakfast. The breakfast was good. I had chicken keema pav and this guy had some Parsi egg. What?
Akuri. Parsi akuri.
Parsi akori egg, some scrambled. But it was nice.
Very
Good
nice.
breakfast. And now everyone is leaving from here. And we will also leave from here in 5 minutes. People there, they're flying drones. Kilometer on this is 113 kilometers. So we've done around 113 kilometers to this Ahura place. So there it is, guys, all Z800. I love this bike, man. One more Z800. Wow. Chalo, I think we should leave now. Susu break. Look at the bikes. Hey! No.
Sure. Thanks, man. Thank you.
No problem, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Yeah.
Same to you. Thank you also.
Soon come home. New plan.
No.
Come home on me, okay? Bye, man.
Chal, see you. Bye. Bye. So finally the ride has come to an end. We have completed around 230 kilometers today. So let's go. Wow. So I'm back from the ride and the ride was very awesome. I have tips which you can use while you're riding long distance or early in the morning when the sun is not up. The first thing what you need to do is you clean the helmet visor, because there are a lot of trucks on the highways who are always on high beam, and then when it hits your helmet visor, the light spreads and visibility becomes very poor. You need to make sure that your bike's lights are pretty powerful, because once you leave the city there is no street light, and the visibility again is a big question mark. Make sure your rear view mirrors are properly cleaned. The most important thing is wear your safety gears when you're out, your helmet, your elbow guard, knee guard, or your riding jacket, your knee pads, elbow pads, your riding shoe. It's better to be safe than sorry. Don't keep changing lanes on the highway just stick to one lane, that is the last lane, because most of the cars are very speedy there. The trucks always block the road, they don't care which lane they are on. So while you're, even if you want to change lanes, make sure there's no car behind you or bike behind you. Don't keep changing lanes and race on the highways. The most important thing is, if you're going on a Sunday ride, there may be a lot of superbike owners who are going to race on that same road you are on. So if you have similar kind of bikes, it's okay, you know how it is. But if you're on normal bikes, Indian bikes, and you want to enjoy the ride, you have to keep your ears and eyes open, because these guys are really fast and they make the decisions in a split second, how they want to change the lane, where they want to go, how they want to overtake a bike. And if you make the wrong decision, if you see the bike behind you and if you change the lane, you'll get only, maybe a second or two to realize कि वो लोग कितने speed पे है. So you make sure you're looking at your rearview mirrors. You will probably hear those bikes coming from quite far. Rest everything is okay. I hope you liked this vlog. This was my first ride to Charoti. Seen a lot of super bikes and I loved the ride with Jim. अगर आपने ये ब्लॉग यहाँ तक देख लिया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर दबाइएगा, और अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. It helps me a lot to grow this channel and bring you interesting content. I am also on Instagram with the same user ID. I am Abrahammer. So in case if you want to get live updates from me when I'm riding, you can go there on live stories and check my live stories. That's all about it. Till then, you guys take care, be safe, keep smiling, and remember one thing: you got only one life and you gotta live it. Adios, amigos.
Because I'm sitting here, you're talking like this, or generally you're talking like this?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm getting words today.